Suppose that the temperature outside is dropping at a constant rate. At noon, the temperature is 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and it drops to 58 degrees Fahrenheit at 5 p.m. How much did the temperature change each hour? Well, we see that it drops from 70 down to 58, or that is, it drops a total of 12 degrees. And it did that from noon to 5, or 12 degrees, in 5 hours. So let's write this as a division problem. It's 12 degrees for every 5 hours, or that is 12 divided by 5. Now let's do that division. We have 5 goes into 12 how many times? Well, this might be a decimal answer. So let's go ahead and write down the decimal point. We have an implied decimal point at the end of 12 here, and we can add a 0 if we need to. But then let's put the decimal point above that division sign so that we don't forget it. Now, how many times does 5 go into 12? It's twice. So we write that down. 2. 2 times 5 is 10. We subtract that, and we get 2. We drop down the next digit, and that's the 0 that we added. We don't need the decimal down here. And now we say, how many times does 5 go into 20? Well, that is 4. So we have 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract those, and we get 0. So now we don't have to go any further with our decimals. We have an answer, or a quotient of 2.4. Let's write that as an answer. We have a change of 2.4 degrees Fahrenheit every hour. So we've started with saying that it dropped 12 degrees in 5 hours, and so we divided 12 divided by 5 and found that the change every hour is 2.4 degrees. In section 0.4, we'll multiply real numbers, use the commutative property of multiplication, use the associative property of multiplication, use the distributive property, and divide real numbers.